How to make money prompting using ChatGPT. Discover the secret to earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. So, in today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting, whether you are looking to create compelling content, automated tasks, or enhance businesses workflows. Well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of this EA tool. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So, firstly, the first step, I will use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So we have here, give me some prompts that I copy and paste on Runway ML to generate a batch of some images. Give some good prompts for images if I'm going to be using the images as t-shirts designs. So don't worry, we are not going to be designing any t-shirts. I will show you. So of course ChatGPT is going to provide us with this prompt that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So here are some creative prompts for generating t-shirt designs. So all I have to do right now is just copy and paste it on Runwell. So this is Runwell homepage. I will explain you more later. So we have here some unique and creative prompts that you can use in Runwell. So we have the first one, surreal nature scene, abstract geometric shapes, vintage retro wave, space exploration, triple and cultural fusion. Then we have animal kingdom mashup, flora and scale fusion. Then we have minimalist line art, fantasy warrior, and psychedelic fractal patterns. So let's choose this one, the fourth one, and I will copy this one, for example. Then let's move into the Runwell. So, but first, let me introduce you to another one which is called Leonardo. I will tell you why I use this one. So, Leonardo is a free tool. Anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this and you can start creating these images from the prompts. So here you click over get started, but before you can just scroll down and know more information about Leonardo, so you read it to more understand. So we have here for creators, create production quality visual. We have also for teams here, for developers, and we have other information. If you scroll down you will learn more information. So let's come back to the top. You click over get started. Then this is the home page. You write your email address and your password, and this is the home page and your account. So we click over image creation here, and you paste what you already copy on ChatGPT. So let's paste it. So we have here also some settings. You can just select it like preset here. Then we have prompt enhance, like here we have automatic, on, off, and other things like also preset style. You choose 3D, render, block, cinematic concept, creative, dynamic, fashion, graphic design, pop art, graphic design, picture, HDR, illustration, macro, minimalist, moody, no one, portrait, ray traced, sketch P&W, sketch color. We have stock photo and vibrant. Then we have here contrast. You can just choose low, medium, high, and then we have generation mode, fast and or quality. Then we have here image dimensions, 2311 16 9. Here we have more, and then you choose small or medium, large, and also number of images, 1 2 3 or 4. We have the max, it's 8. Then we have here private mode, you can just switch on, and other advanced settings. We have photo real, you can just switch on. Negative prompts the same, transparency the same, tone the same, also use fixed seed. And then we have reset to defaults. So we click over generate, then this is how it looks. So we have got these credits, all right, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 54 and of these credits, and they will regenerate every 24 hours. You get around 150 of this each 24 hours, so you can just use them. So here is my graffiti. As you can see, it looks really nice. Now we have here a bad thing. So we have some bad with words. Alright, don't try to write something on the screen with image generators. So you can just don't, because let's say bath like this, I can see this as a t-shirt design. Let me this one as well. I will change the existing prompt, click on generate one more, and we are going to get a result something like this. Now all of this can be t-shirts designs. Why am I telling you that? Because all of this, well, the reason is simple. I found numerous shops on Etsy. They have over than 25,000 sales, as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for mugs, for air fresheners, for bookmarks, and you can see the price. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So what these people do, they just take these designs and they just put them out there, and they just get these pictures and they just roll over those to the teachers, to Mac, to Cap, whatever they want, and they make a profit on it. So they just want to save themselves some time, and that's where we come and we make this with ChatGPT or Leonardo or Runway. So now, why Runway? Runway can make you 100 of this, but the downside of it is that you got to pay for it. As you can see, if I click on get started and create an account and get started with it, it's a paid tool, but it will save you time. Maybe you can just use this one whenever you get some cash for reinvesting. And if you click here on get credits, you can see that 100 is going to cost you $10. So to make money using ChatGPT draw prompts, start by understanding the types of prompts that work best for different tasks, such as content creation, customer support, or automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to businesses, sub prompt packages, or use the prompts yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapts to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.